kindergarten friends. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, and this is Math and Science. So, our LO for today is, and repeat after me, I will be able to list simple skills required for jobs. So, again, we are talking about different job skills that you would need to have for a specific job. And so, we talked about job skills yesterday. So, what are job skills? Job skills are an ability that will help you get a job. So something that you know how to do or something that you're really good at that will help you get a job. So let's look at these different job skills. All right, and I'm going to make my screen a little bit bigger so you can see it. And we have skills needed to be a cop and skills needed to be a teacher. So we are going to pick which one of these skills are needed for what job. So we have a cop job to be a police officer, and we have a teacher job. And now let's look at the skills, okay? Are you ready? So one of the skills is to grade papers. Grade papers. Do police officers need to grade papers? No, they don't need to grade papers. Do teachers need to grade papers? Yes. So this might be a job skill of a teacher. Let's see. Gives lessons. Gives lessons. Who gives lessons? Does a cop need to give lessons? Mm, well, maybe to new cops, right? But they don't sit around in a table and gives a lesson like this. Who does this? A teacher. Very good. A teacher does this. Let's see. Reads books out loud. Does a police officer need to be able to read books out loud? No. Does a teacher need to be able to read books out loud? Yes. So that is another job skill of a teacher. And teaches math. Does a police officer need to teach math? No. Does a teacher need to be able to teach math? Yes, very good. So all of these are the job skills of a teacher. So this is what we are looking at today. These are the different things that a teacher needs to be able to do. Great job. All right, here's another one. Are you ready? Here we go. We have a police officer again, and we have a teacher. Now let's look at the job skills here, and we need to identify which person does these job skills belong to. Are you ready? All right, we have drive a police car. Who drives a police car? Does a police officer drive a police car? Yes. Does a teacher drive a police car? No. So that's a job skill of a police officer. Does a police officer help lost kids? Yes. Does a teacher help lost kids? Yes, a teacher also helps lost kids. But remember, we're trying to see which one meets all of them. So right now the police officer I think is winning this one. Does a police officer catch bad guys? Yes. Does a teacher catch bad guys? No. And does a police officer use handcuffs? Yes. Does a teacher use handcuffs? No. So these are the job skills of a police officer. Very good, my friends. Let's look at the next one. All right, so here we have a farmer and we have a chef. And if we look, the farmer likes to plant fruits and vegetables. You see, they have them here. And then here we see a chef. A chef likes to cook. Yes, a chef has a chef hat. They have a hat. Sorry. And they like to cook. So let's look at the different things or the different job skills, excuse me. We have a drive a tractor. Drive a tractor. Does a farmer drive a tractor? Yes. Does a chef drive a tractor? No. Very good. So does a farmer grow crops? Yes. Does a chef grow crops? No. Does a farmer milk a cow? Yes. Does a chef milk a cow? No. And does a farmer care for pigs? Yes. And does a chef care for pigs? No. So these are the different job skills of a farmer. Great job, friends. All right, here we go. Here's the last one. So here we're looking at the job skills again of a farmer and a chef. Are you ready? All right, reads a cookbook. Does a farmer read a cookbook? No. Does a chef read a cookbook? Yes. Does a farmer measure food correctly? No. Does a chef measure food correctly? Yes. Does a farmer use a stove? Well, they might, yes. Does a chef use a stove? We know that they do, yes. So remember, we want to know all of the ones that they belong to. And mix ingredients. Does a farmer mix ingredients? No. Does a chef mix ingredients? Yes. So these are the job skills, or all of the job skills of a chef. This is what a chef needs to be able to do. All right, my friends, now it's going to be your turn. We're going to go to page 757 and 758 in your Go Math 2 book. All you need is a pencil and your book, and we will get started shortly. See you in a little while.